And well, good morning. We are here in the middle of coffee plantations, and now, we are going to visit the volcano of San Salvador. That in 1917, it was the last eruption, and for this reason, we have like a little Buqueroncito in the middle of the crater, and did you are excited?
So it's not active, right?
No, no, no,
Okay,
no.
I
So
don't want to get blown
you
up today,
know,
this morning.
so don't worry about it. No.
Okay,
Okay, let's. And you can see all the way
It's all black.
where the lava passed before. Yeah. Oh yeah. You have different. So it's easy for me. But if you want to make a step, that's good.
All right, I don't know how far,
Okay.
so I don't want to think about it.
Okay.
Let's say 5 more minutes, right?
Mm-hmm. Or 10, depends.
Or 20. It's a good exercise.
Yeah. Yeah. Most of the time, we made many exercise. We make many exercise. Yeah.
Let me know if you want me to slow down so you can catch your breath.
No. Probably you. I don't know if you want it.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay.
It's me. Woo.
Trying to don't tell the truth. To don't say the truth.
You can do it. Oh my God.
We are almost.
Look at all the stairs. Oh, you're almost
Yeah,
there?
over there, yeah.
Oh, okay. But look at that. That stairs up there. There's a killer right there.
No. You're walking fast. That's the reason.
Oh, okay. You're supposed to walk a lot slower?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I gotta slow down because the guide
Uh-huh.
wants me to slow down so
Yeah.
she can start catching her breath.
No.
She's 20 years old and I'm 65.
But I'm tired as well. I mean, whew. Because yesterday was a rainy day and
Yeah. Look at that. This is the test of the endurance. You want to race?
no,
All the way up there?
no.
Come on, let's do it.
Okay. Oh my God, no.
You can do it.
Oh my God.
You can.
Yeah,
Don't let the grandpa beat you.
probably. Then you don't want to walk more.
Let's take a break.
It's enough for me.
Okay, I'll come back and I'll pick you up.
No.
Okay, we're almost there.
Yeah.
Okay, talk to me about this
Yeah, so now,
crater.
so we are on the Buqueron, Cito. Well, we are now like around 1,800 meters above the sea, and well, this is like the principal attraction of this park. The crater has a 1.5 kilometers of diameter, and like around 5 558 meters of deep.
Yeah.
So well, it is possible to go to going down, but you need to have a good
Physical.
yeah,
Okay, let's
because
go down. Let's go down.
oh no, come on. Oh no, it's hard. And well, as I said before, I mean, yesterday was a rainy day, so no, it's very hard to going
So
down.
there, in the future, it's possible a river. I mean, the lake.
Was
Here?
yeah,
If there's more water
at
coming
the
in.
top,
Yeah.
as you can see, was a lake, but the lake disappeared in 1917 for the last eruption. And we eating all the fruit. Yeah. Okay.
Have some.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So, what do you think? It's good?
Actually, pretty good.
Yeah.
Surprise.
It's like something new. So we are now in another viewpoint. The other viewpoint, the name is Las Begonias. That is the name of a flower that is very usual to see near of this park. And well, we have another view. I mean, like a better view to see the crater in the Buqueroncito. I didn't mention before, but we call it Buqueroncito because it looks like the mouth of a fish. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Volcano is the name of the fish.
Yeah. So it's like the mouth, the mouth of
The boca
the pescado.
de pesca. No, not pescado. Pescado when they're already dead, right?
No, but it's pescado.
Oh, pescado?
Yeah.
I thought when they're still
Pecado?
alive, it's pes.
Oh,
It's a pes, pescado.
no, but that is
pescado.
peces.
Oh, peces?
Yeah, when they are alive,
It's peces.
it's peces.
Okay.
The peces that you see.
It looks like this is the best place.
Yeah, so I mean, until that you going down in each viewpoint, you can feel that you are more close of the Buqueron.
The crater.
Yeah.
Wow. What a beautiful
Yeah, it is.
place, and so close to the city too. You don't need to go to Santa Ana, right?
I mean, but in Santana you can see like the lake, the lagoon.
Okay,
Yeah, the lagoon inside of the crater. But this park is very beautiful. I mean,